The nation heaved a sigh of relief as the challenging 17-day multi-agency rescue operation in Uttarakhand ended in success last night with the safe evacuation of all 41 workers who were trapped inside Silkyari tunnel. All arrangements are in place for assembly elections in Telangana tomorrow. Voting will be held for 119 assembly seats from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. The center will launch the first tranche auctions of critical and strategic minerals today. India and the US will launch the joint microwave remote sensing satellite for Earth observation in the coming months. In cricket, Australia defeated India by 5 wickets at Barsapara Cricket Stadium in Guwahati in the third T20 International of the 5-match series last night.